Alright, so this new Davinci Resolve feature is absolutely nuts. In Davinci Resolve 19 Beta 3, we can now remix music. You'll see what I mean by that in a sec. You come in here and start up your music track in Davinci and click anywhere in this gray area for your track. Turn on the music remixer. We can take the voice right out of the track. Just drums and bass. Take out the drums. That bass isn't gonna drop anymore. Just the drum beat. This is crazy. You can adjust the different levels of different things. You want the voice all the way down, the drums up, the bass boosted. It's nuts. This opens up so many possibilities. If you guys thought that this was crazy, drop a like and subscribe. Check out more stuff on the channel. Absolutely crazy.